She's cold.
Holy cow! Look at the presence in the air.
Tower.
Tower. That's amazing. The way it transitioned, now it's considered high alpha, right?
Yes, sir.
The way it transitions instantly into high alpha is just amazing.
He's up there. He's up there.
It's almost like it instantly just pivots right on that balance point only. Is that correct?
Say again?
It seems like your balance point where your CG is the axis it pivots on with pitch.
Pretty much.
Amazing. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's like the lift's not even a factor. Just a little bit of crabbing.
It's throwing it around a little bit.
Wow! I don't even know what to ask just because it's so amazing to watch it. You feel those weird drafts over there?
I'm calling it.
Holy cow.
Very much feeling
Now what are you setting up to do? You looks like you're getting smelted. Is that a knife edge spin?
it. Yes, sir.
Wow. So when you go into these really complicated things like a knife edge spin, is it all in getting the plane at the right attitude?
Yeah. So there is an easy way to enter it from coming down. So the easiest way to enter it
Okay.
is once you come down, your left rudder, start a roll.
And you're just holding the sticks in. You're not oscillating like a rolling Harrier or something.
No. It's just it's mostly a stick holding position, and you can figure out for a plane just to do an outside snap and it'll start doing it. Other way to center it is to do a stall turn, get in the rudder, and then take it down elevator. And I stuffed it up. And it does something else instead.
Still looks amazing though.
That's fun.
So it's important as much for people to know the stick movements as also how to get the plane in the right attitude.
Right. It's all against the plane's attitude. Here's a blinder.
Oh wow. And recovery for a blender is mostly done through power, right?
Well, you're in a flat spin, so the technical exit is to throttle back, opposite rudder, and let the plane fall to pick up speed. And then, but most good aerobatic planes, you'll just roll out of it.
Beautiful class. Now, as far as when you're in a complicated maneuver and then you got to bail out, what's the most? Is there a rule of thumb as far as bailing out? That's always a
Bailing out's always by the seat of your pants.
God. Eat that Tricopter. Wow, look at that.
And we do some slow stuff so
Right there, what you just did is one of the most complicated things for me. Using the rudder in reverse upside down. I still struggle with that.
Turbulence is bumpy.
Isn't it amazing? Absolutely incredible. You're keeping such a large airplane in such a small area. It's just amazing that you can do that. Needless to say, you really got to trust your motor.
Yes, definitely engine reliant at this point.
use your thumbs.
Yes.
There's a big discussion right now where people are talking about pinching your thumbs. What?
Thumbs guy.
You're a thumbs guy.
Tell my dad taught me
There you
nothing
go.
is as important as practice. So
Very cool. A lot of people wonder if there's a science to it or not. Amazing.
let's do something with a mix that most people don't know how. How slow is that?
That takes some guts.
So what that mix was that I triggered on the back of my transmitter was the elevator halves are actually going opposite to the aileron
Oh, really? To
with
keep
an
you working.
aileron input, and it's just creating drag.
So,
If you look at the
oh
elevator,
wow, look at that. Yeah. It's almost acting like flaps,
exactly.
but it's not
Well,
giving you
the
any
flap
leverage.
action's this one. There we go. That's coupled elevator with Tricopter.
So you have actually air brakes on her now. Now what is that called? That's amazing.
That is the same as a blender.
Same as, but just you're just using high
Same as a
energy
blender.
going up and
High
down.
energy going horizontal. So this is the same thing going absolutely horizontal.
Wow! So it turns 90 degrees on its snout. Absolutely amazing. What's your flight times with your gas tank?
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
I'm going hard at it. This hasn't been too hard.
So you want to really make sure you're doing timed flights on this. Right there. Was that a, were you trying to get into a knife edge spin with that?
Yeah. The slick has some planes need next to no rudder, and I keep screwing it up. So it can vary from plane to plane.
So like the Edge 540 with the straight wing, that would probably do a knife edge spin really well.
Very well.
That was great. One more. Holy cow, that's in it. So certain maneuvers require a lot more space from the ground to get out of than others, huh?
Yes. Well, that one, because it stops in a flat spin, if you can practice recovering from a flat spin, you can actually get that really low.
Oh, okay. It's funny, I haven't had to stand behind the tail feathers of a gas spin in a long time. But I know one big rule of thumb is a lot of people would sit and they'd leave like a 4-inch gap between the horizontal tail feathers and their shins. You know, that's a big no-no, isn't it? Look how slow that is. That means time to land, right?
Yes, sir. Actually, this is something fun.
Yeah. He's gonna do something crazy. Oh. Is that your hat trick?
I don't know, I haven't done this before.
It's a hat.